Hello all, we are in Udaipur right now and I have just reached Bagor Ki Haveli, which is situated on the banks of Lake Pichola in Udaipur. Is an 18th century royal mansion that has been transformed into a vibrant museum showcasing the rich heritage and lifestyle of Rajasthan's Mewar region. The Haveli spans over 100 rooms with exquisite architecture, glasswork and mosaics and is divided into several museum sections, each offering a unique glimpse into royal life, culture and arts. Now let us check out the Puppet Museum. Featuring handmade miniature puppets, this museum is a delightful tribute to Rajasthan's traditional puppetry. Visitors are greeted by puppet displays at the entrance and can see a grand royal courtroom setup alongside dolls, horses, elephants and folk figures. Puppet shows are held here, bringing these vibrant creations to life. Climb to the rooftop for panoramic views of Lake Pichola, City Palace and Aravali Hills. It's a visual treat offering contextual perspectives of Udaipur cityscape. Now let us head to Main Haveli. The Main Haveli itself has preserved royal quarters, including bedrooms, recreation rooms, makeup rooms, private quarters of royal ladies and worship rooms. These rooms feature beautiful glasswork, mirror art, murals and colored windows, including the renowned peacock mosaic. The museum exhibits artifacts belonging to Rajput royalty, such as costumes, jewelry boxes, dice games, hookahs, rosewater sprinklers, musical instruments, and more. Mewar paintings on the walls depict scenes from royal life, rituals, and battles. There is a dance show which is held every evening in the courtyard. The lively performance showcases Rajasthani folk dance, music and puppet arts, immersing visitors in local traditions. The tickets are booked way before you even plan for them, so check out the availability as soon as you decide to visit Udaipur. Next, we will head to the Turban Museum. This section showcases turbans from different parts of India, including Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. Each turban reflects regional traditions, colors and styles, giving insights into the significance of turbans in Indian culture. There is a section which depicts the different rituals of wedding, illustrates traditional wedding rituals and customs with artifacts, decor and costumes that reveal the intricate practices of royal marriages. Let us check out the Weapons Museum. Located near the entrance, this museum displays weapons used by kings and their armies. It's a comparatively smaller section but provides a glimpse into the region's martial history. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.